Yeah, welcome to the 3D printing workshop. We will today go over all the instruments, what they do, how they work, and we will start the print, and I will also show you the post-processing for an SLA print. So first, we should start with the filament-based printers. We have Prusa printers. One of them is a Mark III, the other one is a Prusa Mini. And the way these printers work, if you recall from the lectures, is that there is a 3-axis robotic platform. This here is the extruder, and these all work with stepper motors. And the extruder pulls in this plastic filament, which runs from a spool of plastic filament. We use PLA, polylactic acid. It runs through the heated extruder, which is heated to 215 degrees Celsius, and this motor just pulls it out, pushes it through the nozzle on the bottom side, and deposits it on the platform. And then with that, such a part is printed layer by layer. The platform itself is heated, and you can remove this steel sheet from the heat bed, which helps you to detach the parts, which because of the pressure and because of the heat, they will stick really strongly to the platform. So when you remove the parts, you need to lift the metal sheet and just bend it a little, and then you can remove the parts. And that's all you need to do with this printer when you get the parts. So we have different types of filaments, and at the moment we have transparent and black. We have only one extruder, but it is possible to buy a second unit that can be attached next to this, and then you can print with multiple colors, or you can print with water-soluble and non-water soluble filaments. This one is a non-water soluble PLA filament. What else to say? This one is the smaller brother of the MK3. Works the same way, just has a smaller print envelope. And if you make your design in a CAD software, you need to export it as an STL file, and then you need to use a slicer program that will slice up the model into layers, and then that will be transferred into a G-code, which is a code interpreted by the robotic frame. So G-code just gives the instructions for the stepper motors on this 3-axis robotic frame. If the printer runs out of filament, then we have some additional stock, but if it completely runs out, then you have to notify us, obviously. And we have a material consumption tracking form in our Office 365. Please use it. If you print something, please use it. You have a QR code on the wall, which shows you. You can scan that code, and you can go to the form and fill it in. There will be a video to show you how to use the form. And now we turn to this side. So over here is where you can find DLP and SLA printers that we have. This one has the largest print envelope. It is an industrial grade printer, an EnvisionTEC Perfactory 4. This one runs with a mercury light. So there's a mercury bulb or mercury lamp bulb inside this enclosure, and it projects the light through a micromirror array. I'm sorry, I need gloves. So with the filament printer, you don't need any gloves. You can just touch it with your bare hands. And if you want to print something, then you need to first upload your design to a memory card, or in the case of the Mini, also a USB stick, and just insert it into the printer. then go to the design that you would like to print. For example, this one. And then the printing bed heats up, and then it will scan for the calibration points, and then it will start printing. If you would like to start a print with the resin printer, then you have to upload your design to the USB stick. Insert it. And then just press print. Scroll down to your design. And then press the play button. And we can record this tomorrow, I think. We can do it again.